how to build more confidence so you can launch and grow your business in 5 easy steps. I'm LaShawna, your business therapist, and I work with experts, speakers, coaches, consultants, and mental health professionals to help them grow and launch their business online without sacrificing themselves in the process. Listen up. The first step to building confidence is really identifying what is that thing that you do that everyone reaches out to you for, that you literally love to do, and you can do it with your eyes closed. For some of you, it may be giving support, it may be mindset support, it may be helping them to combat fearful thoughts and negative thinking, or it literally may be helping them to create content without the scarcity. Number 2, I want you to think about your why. Why do you do the thing that you do? What is in it for you? And if it's money, baby, that's not it. You have to think about your purpose and your passion. And once you think about your why, I want you to think about it 3 more times, deeper and deeper and deeper. So 3x the why. I usually say 5x the why, but for time purposes, I want you to 3x the why. Ask yourself why at least 3 times. Number 3, think about what the pain point is of the person, target market, ideal customer, whatever you want to call it. What is the pain point that they have? This is important because this is going to be threaded in your content that you're sharing with them so you can repel the ones who are not in alignment and attract the ones who need your help. Number 4, what does your target market, your ideal client desire? Now, you might be wondering, how does this have to do with my confidence? It has a lot to do with it because once you get super, super deep into what it is they want, what it is that's holding them back, you're going to be more confident to share and attract them to what you have, which is number 5, your transformation. Now, this is the thing with transformation. It's literally your framework. How can I help you? My framework is my success method. There's several steps for me to take you from point A to point B. So my question to you is, what is your transformation? What is your framework? Once you understand these 5 things, you're not going to be scared anymore to show up because you literally have a blueprint for success. If this was helpful, I want to invite you to my core confidence masterclass. We're going to go deeper into all this information I shared, and I'm going to show you how to pinpoint the mindset blocks that hold you back. That way you can get out of your own way and launch and grow the business that you're destined to build. Talk soon.